Hey, eyes up here, punk. Look, if you want to get out of this room unscathed, all you'll need to do is cooperate with me. So just tell me who sent you. Nice try. It'd be pretty stupid for someone to not disarm their hostages before tying them up. Especially if that hostage happens to be another bounty hunter trying to catch me. Now, don't think you can play the "I don't know what you're talking about" card. I already know that about 3 people have been sent my way. One who's unexpected to be around, one who's seen as a common citizen, and another I haven't heard of. I've never seen someone like you around here. Normally I'd shrug that off to tourism, but for you to arrive as a samurai and the trash wizard, that paints a pretty solid picture. So listen here, tough guy. All you gotta tell me is who sent you. Oh, you don't want to speak. If you're trying to stall me, just know this is a secure location. Your allies won't find you here. And I can promise you, any consequences your boss told you would happen for revealing information, I can do worse. I don't have the patience for this. You'd better start speaking soon or I'll trekking cremate you. Oh, give me a second.
Oh, Gio.
Coach Salem, what do you want?
They've just arrived now, and they're headed towards Dover.
What? All 3? But I have one of them here right now.
You've got the wrong person. You better prepare quickly. You've got some top dollar troops on route level 6.
Salute you, untying yourself all by yourself. Congratulations, you're free to go. Look, you were just oddly convenient enough to match the descriptions I was given. I'll just need you to forget you ever saw me, and I won't need to not regret killing you here.